Namaste everybody. You find me yet again on the floor, and today in an Asana a day keeps the neurologist away, I am going to do the infamous boat pose. Now, I've heard that during the yoga for manifestation teacher training, Master decided to exercise his vocal cords and played a certain song or sang a certain song during boat pose. So, am I going to be unsinkable like the Titanic? That is the question. And as you might have already guessed, I've got my hemp belt, my friend the hemp belt, because I think this is the only way forward for me with regards to the Titanic pose. So let's get my legs out in the bathroom, which is for me relatively straightforward. And then I'm going to get my belt around my legs like this. I think, bear with me folks, bear with me folks. I'm getting there, trust me. This is a vast improvement on when I went to do it a few weeks ago. I couldn't even like lift my feet off the floor. I was like this, but I can, and I can actually hold them in place, which for me, I keep surprising myself. It's crazy. Like I think I can't do it, and then I go and do it, and I'm like, oh my God. I could stay here all day. No, I better not get cocky, eh? Oh, I'm chuffed with that. Right, I'm going to have a play about off camera because this is good fun. Thanks for watching, everybody. Love and blessings to you all. Namaste.